The biggest holiday shopping weekend has come and gone, or has it? Consumer reporter John Matarese is here now with the key dates you can still score a great deal so you don't waste your money.
So you didn't want to fight the insane crowds on Thanksgiving night. You didn't have all day Monday to shop for Cyber Monday deals. So the question now is, when can you find the best deals between now and Christmas? Well, despite the madness last Thursday and Friday, the good news is those were not necessarily the best days for finding the lowest price. That's according to a new survey by Savings.com, which analyzed sales at hundreds of stores over the past 5 years. Black Friday never had the lowest prices overall. The survey found the lowest prices for gifts and novelties is actually December 15th. The lowest prices for clothing, not including online Cyber Monday deals, is December 11th. Unfortunately, the lowest prices for electronics was November 1st and Black Friday. Now, if you still want a big screen TV, your best bet may be waiting for January Super Bowl sales. But for just about everything else, prices will drop one more time in mid-December, which is good news for procrastinators. And that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, 9 on your side.